because you have organized this drug awareness?
आज सकाळी म्हाका रेड क्रॉस सोसायटी ऑफ इंडिया हांच्यांनी आमंत्रीत केल्लें भुरग्यां कडेन ड्रग्सां बद्दल उलोवपाक एंड टू से नो टू ड्रग्स एंड रोल ऑफ लॉ एनफोर्सिंग एजन्सी इन प्रिवेंशन ऑफ ड्रग अब्यूज इन द एज्युकेशनल इन्स्टिट्यूशन. हांगा खूब दुसऱ्या दुसऱ्या स्कुलाची भुरगीं आशिल्लीं. हांव तांच्या बरोबर खूब उलयलें, तांकां खूब सांगिल्लें आसा. बट आमी सगळ्यांनी तांचेरूय ती ल्हान आशिल्ल्या कारणान, पियर ग्रूप प्रेशर आशिल्ल्या कारणान, प्लस मॅच्युरिटी इतकी सेट ना जाल्ल्या कारणान भुरगीं खंय मातशी हेवटेन तेवटेन व्हांवूंक शकता. तर आमचे सगळ्यांचे आवय बापायचे आनी कम्युनिटी सोसायटी हांचे सगळ्यांची तांचेर नजर आसूंक जाय अशें म्हाका दिसता. आमी सदांच पळयता की लोक म्हणटात की पुलिसांक खबर आसा, पुलिसांक खबर आसा. पण जेन्ना पुलीस हात घालता तेन्ना आमी थोडो विचार करता की हाजी वय कितें, ताका रिहॅबिलिटेट करूंक जाता काय ना, ताका कावन्सिलींग दिवंक जाता काय ना, नाजाल्यार ताजें फूल आयुश्य बरबाद जावपाक शकता. आमी होवूय स्टेप पयलीं घेता. आयकना जाल्यार आमी फुडें रेड्स मारून ऑफेन्सीस बूक करता. आतां सुद्दां खूब ऑफेन्सीस बूक केल्ले आसतले. तुमी न्यूजपेपराचेर, सोशल मिडियाचेर, न्यूज चॅनलांचेर पळयलां आसतलें. आमी कोणाकूच सोडना आनी कोणाकूच सोडचें ना इन ड्रग्स, बिकॉज वी वॉन्ट अवर सोसायटी टू बी फ्री फ्रॉम ड्रग्स. नशा मुक्त भारत, दॅट इज अ स्लोगन. स्ले नो टू ड्रग्स. एंड माय अपील टू ऑल द पीपल की आमकां कॉन्फिडेन्शियली तुम्ही इन्फॉर्मेशन दिया. तुमची आयडेंटिटी सिक्रेट दवरतले. प्लस ऑल इंडिया बेजीस मानस हेल्पलायन आसा, जेचो नंबर जावन आसा 1933. हाजेर जर तुमी इन्फॉर्मेशन दिलें तर तुमकां कोणाकूच कळना की कोणें इन्फॉर्मेशन दिलां. फक्त आमच्या पर्यंत सुद्दां पावता तें फक्त की कितें रॉंग जालां, कितें खंयसर कितें जाल्लें आसा आनी ताचेर आमी फुडली आमचे इन्वेस्टिगेशन्स करता. माय रिक्वेस्ट टू ऑल द सिटीजन्स कम्युनिटी, लेट अस फायट टुगेदर इन इरेडिकेटिंग दिस ड्रग, फॉर वीच वी नीड युअर सपोर्ट. यू ऑल आर द आयज एंड इयर्स ऑफ police and law enforcing agencies. We approach you, become our informants, become the mentor for the children and share this information for better future of our children.
Ma'am, why there is increase in the drugs these days?
Yeah, madam. Add to that, why the students are attracting for this?
Let me tell you, Goa is a tourist destination, domestic as well as international. Lot many people come to Goa. All people may not be good, I don't say that, but there might be some vices which they may carry with them. Let me tell you, just on Saturday we have booked a case wherein we have caught a native of Pune. He was with methamphetamine 48 point some grams, and he had specially come all the way from Pune saying that Saturday, Sundays there are parties in Goa and then he can push this for the parties. So when there is a demand, also there is a supply. We don't say that there is no demand, but here being a tourism, people from all walks over of life and from all corners of India and international tourists, they come saying that Goa is a very peaceful place, very hospitable, very scenic, very cool and calm, and for enjoyment and party. Under these circumstances, people try to venture into all this type of drugs, and so yes, but how these cases are coming more is because we are proactive. Our policemen are working very hard at district levels, at crime branch, at anti-narcotics, at Konkan Railway, and we have been unearthing this and booking the cases. So you find there is rise. So definitely it's a proactive policing to see that the drugs are curbed. We have awareness programs every week. One school, one college is given the awareness sensitization, wherein people from Directorate of Health Services as resource person, people from officers from Narcotic Control Bureau along with police officers at narcotic police station as well as at district level. We go to the school, we give them the lecture, we show them the PowerPoint presentation, we give them audio, video, visuals about the ill effects of the drugs, and we sensitize them. We appeal to them that in case they have any information to secretly give us or to their own counselors, so that we develop this information and we take step forward to see that people are inside.
Are you conducting checks on the ghadas around the schools and the colleges?
Yes, lot many cases. Now, there I also that's what I mentioned in my speech also, that certain time certain person may be visiting. Yes, we have been checking, and in case people find, because at times we are given to understand that there are chocolates. There are chocolates, but there has to be a credible information that that chocolate, what is Paris chocolate or something, has that something special is being given. So what is this special is being looked.
Okay.
Yes.
Madam,
How many
if
such
we have-
cases have come up like this?
The district police have booked so many cases under COTPA. Cigarettes,
Okay.
yes, it's more than around 1,000 cases.
Okay.
Yes.
1,000 cases this year or
This
is
year,
it?
this year, this year,
Okay.
this year. It is under COTPA we are booking.
Okay.
But at this stage, at GADA, we have not found direct drug
Okay.
as such.
Okay.
But cigarettes and other such type of things, gutkha, these are the things which are being booked under COTPA, are booked by the police.
Okay.
ma'am, how you see the ganja plant in the Panjim city? Lots of ganja plants.
How come it's found out in their places only? Are there some
Our
people-
Panjim city is becoming a smart city. Okay, lot many, as I said, lot many laborers are working. We have seen that some laborers also are chewing pan and other such products. So, I mean, just one is a different type. But if it was really grown somewhere, then definitely it is a matter of a concern. But I look at it in a different way. If you just find one shrub,
No, madam, it is many plant-
खूपदा
Eight,
परिणाम आहे.
Many
7 to 8
plant-
times
we found such
foundच
things.
नाही
no,
आहे.
नाही एकच नाही बरोबर आहे.
different
पण
places,
at
वेगळे-
different places one or two. If it is at one place grown like paddy field, yes, it is a concern. It is
But
a
अशी सुद्धा एक सुद्धा जावप मॅडम एक कन्सर्न न्ही
म्हणजे
सांग आता पणजेन पयलीं काय नाशिल्लें
बसतात
अशें
बीन आणि पियेतात अशें जाता म्हणजे थंय बसतात आणि पियेतात आनी सिडलिंग्स उडयतात जाल्यार जाता अशें जावंक शकता.
we will have to check upon that. It is not proper for me directly to speak
Okay.
without getting. But looking at that one shrub, okay, it is only that we have this smart city coming up, and in this only it is happening presently. One coming here and there. So we have workers coming from other states. So we know when these mostly these workers, I need not name the states, then it will be singularizing the state. So these people are in habit, and we have got so many people with ganja, and ganja is the major seizure in the state of Goa.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.